Okay, so what we're gonna do basically is we're gonna put these handlebar risers, which are KTM OEM 10mm handlebar risers, and put them on here. So what we need to do is just take these top clamps off, and then of course we're gonna be replacing these with the taller 10mm handlebar risers. Should be pretty simple. So obviously these top clamps are going to be reused, also the bolts are going to be reused as well, and I'll show you what the actual handlebar riser looks like. But the first kind of thing I have to figure out is when I take this off, where to actually put the handlebar. I think I'm just going to lay it on here, put this piece of cardboard on, and yeah. Maybe I'll let it rest here. It's actually easier. Okay. Okay. Leave this here, take this off. And then put this here. Okay. Okay, I'll take these off. Very nice. Okay, so this is the difference. It's just a very, very slight difference, but it should make a difference. Now to put them on. All we gotta do is put these things on. Top clamps first. Let's scrub down. Okay. Like this. Looks pretty good. Very, very subtle change, but let's see how it is when I get on it. So now a little torque wrench, 20 Newton meters. Okay, good. Perfect. Boom. Starts right up.